Well, I'm working on the 84 today. Just give you guys a little bit of insight. So it's been sitting back here for a while. I haven't worked on this car for like almost 2 or 3 months. You know, and I got the record player going, so hang on a second here. I'm gonna go this direction real quick. Little Rick Springfield. You wanna see? So check it out. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Anyway, turntable. But anyway, it's kind of cool to play turntable out in the garage when you're working on junk. Anyway, Fix It Dad. I'm back again on the 84, and I'm going to show you guys something that, so anyway, I had all that there, but guess what? You can't put this in, and that has to go together. So anyway, what a nightmare. I had to take it all apart. Anyway, I will show you what I have done since you guys haven't seen this in about a month or a couple months. So the motor is, all this is done. This is all done. I've got a few wires obviously to hook up. We got the AC to put on it. Brakes are obviously been done. Yeah, I had a new radiator, which is right there. And I had the, what do you want to call it? The condenser, AC condenser. That's what was in the other car. So actually it was in this car. So I'm going to put it back in again because the other one's just beat to crap. But anyway, I got the water thing, coolant reservoir there. But anyway, all this has to be put together, and so right now the way I've done it is backwards, and it's not like I haven't put stuff together on this and have to take it apart again, because that's exactly what I ended up doing. So anyway, I just want to get you guys updated on this. It's been sitting back here. I'm hoping to have this thing running at about probably in, well, maybe even December, we'll see, but who knows. I haven't turned it over yet. I do know it turns over, but on this car, no. I do have a brand new battery. So, anyway, I wanted to give you guys an update on what to do and what not to do on these cars. If you ever get ambitious and you want to sort of restore an 84 Corvette, which, quite frankly, I don't think there's anybody that crazy to do it. I'm probably the only one. When I bought this car, I thought it would be easy to do. Long story short, not so easy. Especially when you're trying to bring it back to originality. But anyway, that all being said, life lessons. But I will get it done. And it will be driving here in the next few, maybe months. So we'll see where it goes. Anyway, I'll flip it around. Craig here. And I'll see you guys later. Maybe I'll record one more. We'll see. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Battery died. All fun things. Fix It Dad here. Okay, let me show you what I did here. This is the part that goes on top. So you have to put all that together. Man, this radio's way too loud. So I'll turn that down a little bit lower there. By the way, if you never heard of them, the Flirts. Kind of cool, huh? Anyway, bubblegum music, 80s stuff, 90s, whatever. Anyway, so I had to show you here. To make this work, I had to put that right there and there. You can't probably see it because the light sucks over here. And right there. And I'll go back to this because my video died. I got stuff everywhere. 4 cars with stuff in the back. Anyway, what I wanted to show you guys was that these are on, and you have to put those on before you put this on, which is the bumper cover, which I put the bumper cover on before I put those on. So I'd tear it apart. I got them installed. So here's an airfoil of some sort. I have no idea what it does, but anyway, so that's there. I'm going to install this piece right here, and those right there. And I just knocked a bunch of crap on the floor. Great. Okay, and we're good. Hopefully, the next video you see me, the fan will be installed. So, hopefully this part will be installed. I hope you can see that better. So, this is like the biggest puzzle in the world to put together, quite frankly. It's nuts. And I do have somewhat of a assembly amount up, but see I've got bags of stuff here. So that's what I've been putting this car together with. So, fun times. Anyway, I'm like 2 minutes and 13 seconds into this, so I'm going to flip this around and I'll see you guys later. Hopefully, maybe I'll do it tonight or maybe tomorrow. Anyway, Fix It Dad, I'm out of here. Bye. I'm back. Well, it's done. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah. This was no fun putting together, dude. It's usually with this car, it's put it together and take it apart, and that's exactly what I do. But it's all in now. This is complete, and then radiators and the AC condensers and fans in. There's the 4 bolts. So now what I got left to do is hoses. I do have the I got the transmission lines all hooked up, which are right there. But she's looking good. Look at that. She is just looking for a stock 84 Corvette, but considering this car was all in pieces and I've taken 2 cars to put this one together, I'm not complaining. Used parts, some new parts, mostly used parts. Radiators new. I had the throttle bodies rebuilt, these right here. And then let's see what else. And I already had a smog pump. Power steering hoses, I put brand new ones on it. Down there. Probably get a light here, you can probably see better if I had a light. Let me turn it on. There we go. See down there? It's got a brand new water pump on it. I don't know if the rack pinion is new or not, but it looked good. All new suspension. I think I mentioned that in my... I'll bring it down. Yeah. Got a distributor to put in it. Brakes are in it. I do have one leaky brake line. I have a battery, which I think I said earlier in this video. Anyway, this is it for today. I'm done getting all this in, which I wanted to get done today. I needed to get that done, so now it's done correctly, and I had no idea it was going to be that much of a pain, but it's done. So now it's just hooking up stuff like this AC lines. I gotta get the AC connected. I gotta get the heater hoses all put on, which isn't too big a deal. And then we're gonna put a distributor in it and crank it over and get the oil pressure up. And then I'm going to we gotta drain the gas tank. We gotta hook up the fuel lines, and we'll see if this input, we'll put fire to it and see what happens, if it takes off or not, or if the motor's bad or not. I still have to put transmission fluid in it, which I have not done. I have oil in the motor, so there's no antifreeze in it. So, but she's getting there, and it's full of stuff inside. I've been using it for storage back here, but Jesse's car, the fuel pump's out. So anyway, that's a whole different project in itself. But look at this, this thing's so nice. I got Bluestein shocks on it. Aftermarket suspension. I detailed the crap out of a lot of stuff, and obviously it's all dirty now, but you won't see it when you put the air cleaner stuff on it. You won't see none of this. It just looked like a ugly 350 with crossfire, which nobody wants. But anyway, if it all works well, my brother's going to get a very cool car. I'm gonna ship it to him, and he's gonna have to pay for the shipping cost. But if everything works, because I have another project that I want to work on, so I'll bring that up maybe a little bit later, maybe in the next 3 to 6 months. I found another one. I know it's a Corvette too, but it's an older Corvette. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyway, you flip myself around here. That's it here, guys. And Fix It Dad. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. And comment, please. I'd appreciate it. I do get comments, and I try to answer all of them. So anyway, enough of this video. I'm out of here. We'll see you guys all later. Bye.